Hey guys, welcome to my Tia Abby's video. My name is Janaely, and today I'll be doing her makeup. Shh, don't tell her I'll be doing ugly. Now let's do the makeup. Let's get to the video. Better.
Alright, darling. We're gonna get started.
Yeah.
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 What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm sure Janaely already did her little intro.
Yeah.
And she told me.
What? That's it.
What is that? I think she said that she's gonna do something secretive, but she won't tell me what it is. You wanna tell me now?
No.
No? So we're gonna get started.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm gonna say the things first.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. Hey guys, welcome to her video. Today we'll be doing her makeup.
You're gonna do what?
Nothing.
No. Okay. I don't think I heard that correctly. So we're gonna get started. How do you want me to do this? You want me to tell you what you should put on my face, or you want to choose what you want to put on my face?
I'm gonna choose what I want to put on your face.
Okay, so what's the first thing that you should always put on somebody's face when they do their makeup? No.
This is... don't know.
Okay, so I'm gonna take my glasses off.
What does this belong to?
That goes on the face, all over the face.
Oh.
Just a little bit, that's a whole lot. Okay. Everywhere. Wait, you only put one side. You gotta put on the other side too.
Yeah, I know, but I'm spreading
And
it
on
all
top of my
over.
forehead.
Yeah, I'm spreading it all over.
Okay. Oh my god! You put too much. Wait, let me help you. Better?
Yeah.
Okay. What's next? You have to show them the product. Okay, that's powdered foundation. Where does that go?
I don't
Come,
know.
give me your hand so you can wipe that. You know what? We should get something to wipe your hands because I feel like you're gonna make a mess, right?
Which brush? This one.
Maybe.
No, not this one. My favorite one.
Okay. Good job. Wow, you chose the right one. You have to show them how you're putting it.
This belongs on your cheeks.
On my cheeks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, done.
That's it?
Yeah.
So this is a really huge eyeshadow and lipstick palette that she's had for years. And she wants to put that on my face.
Yeah.
So show them all the colors.
I'm gonna put another color.
Oh, you're putting two different colors
Yeah.
on the different eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, the next thing what I'm gonna do is the lips, the eyebrows.
The eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not this.
Not that side. And for the eyebrows, what are we going to be using? What product is that? Let's show them. This is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Oh, you're going the opposite way. All right. Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a good idea of what you're doing.
Yeah.
Let me see what you just did. Janaely! We're going to be putting some of our Vermillion Cosmetics Vermilion Red lipstick on our lips.
Yeah.
This is matte, so you can't put too much, okay?
Yeah.
Only a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops.
What's next? Okay, so we're going to be highlighting our face using Physicians Formula. Where does that go on my face?
You know.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah. I don't know where
You're not gonna highlight my cheekbones so I could be like, ooh, ooh. Okay,
Oh, you have glitter.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. How do you do this? With what brush?
Okay.
Okay.
Is that the right side? Oh!
On your cheek. Now we're done.
We're done?
Yeah.
Are we gonna set my face with the setting spray?
Setting spray.
This is setting spray. This helps all the makeup just stay in place and it won't melt off my face. You actually didn't do too bad.
I tricked you.
You did me.
God did it beautiful.
You made me beautiful. Guys, she gonna learn how to do some eyebrows real soon.
Bye guys. I hope you like my Tia's makeup. Bye ladies.
Bye, ladies.